Welcome to the channel, everyone. We hope you're having a wonderful day, and we're glad you're here. We're going to show you 4 homes today that are affordable. The first one is in Muncie, Indiana, and it's 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 1,020 square feet. It has forced air heating and cooling. It's on a level lot. Decent sized bedrooms and a large fenced yard. It's been on the market for 3 days. The annual estimated taxes are $637. It was built in 1946. The lot is 8,712 square feet.
Okay, let's look at the photos of this one now. I like the shutters on this one and the big deck.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Very nice living area here. Looks like some clean carpeting.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's very clean.
Yeah, lots of windows in here. Got a separate dining area over that way. There's the kitchen area. Laminate flooring in here. Pretty good amount of cabinet space. There's the dining room. Bathroom here. Interesting tile in this one.
Yeah. That's the first thing you see.
Yeah.
The tile.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
It is pretty, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Will look good with a pretty white shower curtain, like something not just plain white, but
Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah. A white background on the shower curtain, right?
something like that.
Guys, flourishes with white on the background.
Something like that,
nice.
yeah. Yeah, some kind of design, but all white.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Master bedroom. It's a pretty good size.
It's a decent size, like they said.
Yeah, it is a decent size, yeah.
I almost laughed when they said decent size. It reminded me of that Frasier episode where they make a decent
Oh,
was it
yeah.
decent swordfish?
A decent swordfish, I believe it was.
Yeah.
Yeah, a decent
Yeah.
swordfish.
Frasier went to where did he go, to the Bahamas?
The Caribbean, I think.
The Caribbean.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he wanted the fish, and they told him that they were out of the fish he wanted, but the guy that was taking his order said, "But we make a decent swordfish,"
Yeah.
and Frasier got all hysterical.
Yeah.
It was really funny. Yeah.
Decent.
Got to watch that episode if you watch Frasier.
Yeah. Yeah. Cranes Go Caribbean, I believe is what the episode name was.
Cranes Go Caribbean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Secondary bedrooms. They're all clean. This one's a little smaller.
Mm-hmm.
This one's not a decent size, it's a small size, right? It's a small bedroom.
Indecent size.
And decent. That's right. This bathroom here also has a laminate flooring. Nice and clean bathroom.
It is.
Okay, let's check out the map on this one now. There's a flea market nearby, some other small stores, Dollar General, some parks, restaurants. This is Muncie, so they're going to have everything here.
The hospital, yeah.
Hospital right over here, CVS.
Museums.
Yeah. It's a big city. So
University, yeah.
lots of restaurants up here. Target, there's a mall. Planet Fitness.
Yeah.
Big and small stores both. Meyer there too. Okay, it is in the northeast part of Indiana. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now here it is on the street view. There's a desk chair out there, look.
Mm-hmm.
It's taken July 2025.
No, houses in Indiana are selling really quickly lately.
Yeah, they don't last long on the market.
Yeah, if it's under 150, they sell really quickly, especially under 100.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next property now.
This one is in Tell City, Indiana, and it's 54.9. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 1,260 square feet. This is on a wooded lot, a covered patio or porch. The utility room is in the garage. And this one has 6.43 rolling acres. Wow. That's a lot of acres.
A lot of land, yeah.
Yeah. It's been on the market for 9 days. It was built in 1957. It has an irregular lot, a 2-car attached garage, a metal roof, wood siding. It has a septic system and forced air heating and cooling.
Okay, let's take a look at the photos now of this one. I like the attached garage.
Mm-hmm.
It's a bright metal roof.
Yeah, it is.
Got a little storage out on the left side over there. There's the kitchen area, good amount of cabinet space in here. Vaulted ceilings.
Yeah. Nice vaulted ceiling.
And then the living area has the laminate floors. Bathroom has a shower tub combo in there. It looks like a storage closet possibly. Bedroom. Nice laminate flooring in that bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
Second bedroom here is pretty small.
It's a better sized.
Yeah.
Is that a bedroom?
I think this is the first bedroom again. Another bathroom there. Some wallpaper in this one.
It's the same as the on the vanity. Did you see that?
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, they put that same wallpaper on the
Oh yeah,
vanity.
they did.
Kind of
Right there, yeah. It's funny.
This must be. Is this the washer and dryer?
Yeah, it's where the washer and dryer go, yeah. Possibly a stackable, hard to tell. What do you think?
I can't tell. Looks pretty small.
Looks like I'll need some new siding over on this left part of the house. Now let's check out the map on this one and the overhead view. I'll look at the overhead view and see what land it has. Okay, so it's right here. Got some neighbors back here and over here. No one across the street from you. So I guess a lot of this land is yours here, huh?
Yeah, it said it was wooded lot, so I'm assuming
Yeah.
most of the acreage is wooded.
Makes sense. Looks like a pretty good chunk here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, let's check out the amenities in this area now. The lake to the northeast. Santa Claus to the northwest up there.
Christmas Lake Village.
Tall City is the southwest, right here.
The hospital there. That's
Right
good.
there, yeah.
A cafe.
Got some parks, a college, a country club, Baumgars, Walmart Supercenter. Pretty good amount of stuff in Tell City.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Surprisingly.
Yeah. It's in the southern part of Indiana, near Kentucky. I'm guessing this is it right over here. Yep, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Recognize that roof.
Mm-hmm.
Got all that land. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Across the street, more land over here. I guess a lot of your land is back this way, in this area.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, we can move on to the next one now.
This one is in West Unity, Ohio, and it's 115,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,884 square feet. It's on a corner lot. It has an above-the-ground pool, wood flooring, a den, and a detached garage. It says it has a new roof in 2019. Huge corner lot with alley access to the detached garage. Okay, and it's been on the market for 5 days. Built in 1901, and the lot is 8,712 square feet. It has wood siding, a shingle roof, combination foundation, forced air heating and cooling.
Okay, let's take a look at the photos now of this one. This one looks so nice on the outside.
It does. It's really pretty on the
Got a
outside.
huge front porch out there.
They just need
I
to
like
do
that.
better landscaping around the front because that's a beautiful home.
It is. I like the trim around the windows. Very unique.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, me too.
Very nice.
And there's that garage they talked about. Has a carport and a one-car garage. It looks like.
Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
You have your pick. Garage or carport right there. There's a kitchen area with vinyl flooring.
Stainless steel appliances. That's a good thing. That's where the washer and dryer go, I suppose.
There's one of the bedrooms, or wait, actually, it might be the living area, possibly. What do you think?
I don't know. We'll have to see a little more.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the living room.
Yeah, there you go, living
And you have a
room.
formal dining room through that way with the
That's
chandelier.
really pretty, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Oh, beautiful flooring.
It's a huge dining area.
Is that hardwoods?
Looks like it may be either hardwood or laminate. I'm thinking laminate.
The way it looks over here, it's kind of wavy.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's laminate flooring, but it's
Mhm.
hard to tell for sure.
Looks too perfect to be hardwoods.
Yeah, it does. Got a door in here too. This could be used as a living area, possibly.
That is so pretty.
Yeah, it is. One of the bedrooms here with some
How
carpeting.
clean that is.
It's spotless carpeting. It's really a light color too. It's hard to keep that clean, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Surprised how clean it is. It's a nice bedroom. Bathroom there with vinyl flooring. Nice vanity here.
Mm-hmm. That looks like an updated vanity, updated faucet. Toilet looks pretty new too. Very clean.
And there is an upstairs landing area. And here is, looks like a big upstairs bedroom. Wow.
That's huge.
Big bedroom, yeah. Very
Mhm.
nice. This house is so nice. It's a good price, I think. What do you think? Huh?
Yeah,
Good
dude.
price?
Yeah.
There's the attic area, good storage area.
This is a nice attic. It's got a lot of area to store things.
Easy to walk around into.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's look at the map on this one now. It's a small town. There's some restaurants here. Fire department, Dollar General. Not too much else. Some small businesses there. I'll zoom out. Okay, you got Bryan down to the southwest and Archibald to the southeast. Let's check Bryan. Looks like a bigger city. Have an airport, Tractor Supply, hospital. Walmart Supercenter also.
It popped up and then disappeared, didn't it?
It did, yeah. Just for a second, yeah.
Yeah, right under Tractor Supply.
There
There
it
it
is.
is again.
Right there. This is in the northwest part of Ohio. Here it is on the street view. Nice on street view too.
Mm-hmm. Your landscaping looks a little better there, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Yeah, pretty trees around it. I like that tree right there beside the house.
Mhm.
What is that?
Not sure what kind of tree it is. It's nice though.
Mm-hmm.
I like that it's on a corner lot.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice yard.
Mm-hmm. The houses around it look nice. Look at that white one in the background there. That's really pretty.
Yeah, it is. Nice area.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go down the street just a second. Will you?
Okay.
I want to see that church. The church is really pretty. Look at the way they landscaped right there.
That's pretty, yeah.
It's really nice. It's mowed and well taken care of.
It is.
This looks like a nice area to me.
It does me too, yeah. It's very nice, very pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's move on to the next property now.
This one is in Hoopeston, Illinois, and it's $89,000. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,472 square feet. This one has been on the market for 1 day. The annual estimated taxes are $2,764. It was built in 1946, and the lot is 8,276 square feet. 1 car detached garage, asphalt roof, a vinyl siding, forced air heating and cooling, and the heating system uses gas, and it has a gas water heater also. Has a partial basement with a sump pump.
Okay, let's look at the photos of this one now. Got a lot of windows in the front.
Mm-hmm. Looks like a sunroom, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. Garage right over here. Nice yard. There's the main living area. Looks like it has laminate flooring to me. It's hard to tell because of the light, the glare.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There's a kitchen area with double windows and ceramic tile. Got a formal dining room through here too with laminate flooring. Good amount of windows in there. Small bedroom.
Yeah.
We've got one of the bathrooms here with an updated faucet. Upstairs bedroom right here.
Not too bad of a size.
No, not bad at all.
Got quite a few windows.
Yeah. Another bedroom. It's pretty nice. Looks move and ready.
Mm-hmm.
Check out the map on this one now. See Dollar General over here, a big park. Kirby Foods. Some restaurants over there too. It's like a school. Some churches. Zoom out some more now. Lafayette is to the east over there. Danville is down to the south. Danville has a lot of stuff. And a medical center, a couple of them. College there. They have a lot of grocery stores too, like Aldi. Aldi's right there. Some museums and stuff too. O'Reilly Auto Parts. We'll zoom it out now. It's in the east part of Illinois, near Indiana. Okay, here it is on the street view now. See the garage over there, driveway. This one over here looks very similar to it, right there.
Yeah. Pretty trees. Probably lots of shade.
Yeah.
I like the way shade looks.
Me too. Okay everybody, that'll do it for us today. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We will see you in the next one. Also remember, your new home could be in the next video. Have a nice day everybody.